Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict group chat on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the messenger icon in the top right, and then you need to select a group conversation, and then you need to click on see group members. And here you can see different options. First is mute message, click on that option. Then you need to click on mute mentions. Then you need to mute call notifications, and then you need to mute, or you can mute approval required to join. Okay, once you complete all this, here you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of report and block and leave chat. But you can see that you select all options, and then you need to go back. Once you complete all of these steps, you simply need to hold that, and you can see that you here you have an option of unmute, but I do not want to unmute, so this is a process by which you can restrict group conversation on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.